Welcome to my channel. In today's recipe we are going to be looking at how you can make long potato fries at home. They are so crunchy, easy to make and tasty. Start by peeling potatoes. It can be just small potatoes. It does not have to be this big one. After peeling them, dice them into small pieces. Then transfer them to salted water and cook them on medium heat until they are soft. You can check every after 7 to 10 minutes to check if they are soft. Once they are soft, drain the water and keep it aside. We may need it for later. Transfer them on a sieve and start mashing them up until you get fine, soft potatoes. I use the sieve because this helps you not to get any lumps in the potatoes. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't to help me grow. Like the video and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about my recipes in the comment section. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok as Ugandan Kitchen. You can see the fine potato we are getting. This is one of the reasons why you should use a sieve when mashing up your potatoes, because it helps you to get rid of those lumps that tend to remain in there as you're mashing it up. Use water as needed in the process to make sure that you mash up all the potatoes. After mashing them up, we are going to add cornstarch. I used 3/4 of this cup and a pinch of salt. I seasoned with salt only, but you can as well add a little bit of black pepper if you want to. You can add a little bit of chopped coriander and mix until you form a very nice dough that we are going to use. Do not forget to click on the bell to turn on your notifications to be notified whenever I post any video. Whenever you click on your notifications, go ahead and click on all notifications such that you get all my notifications. After you have a very nice dough, transfer it to a piping bag, and we are going to use this piping bag to make the long potato fries. I used this using a tray. Start squeezing the dough to pass through the piping bag and make those long potatoes like you see in the video. This is an easy recipe that you can prepare within 20 minutes. It is done. You can serve it during this Ramadan at iftar. It is so easy to make. You can serve it with any dipping sauce of your choice. You can use coriander dipping sauce, ketchup. You can use mayo dipping sauce. Any dipping sauce of your choice works just fine. There is no need of you freezing these fries. So this is one of the methods you can use. The second method is putting the dough in the freezer bag, then spread it up until it is all sprayed in the freezer bag, like you can see in the video. Then after, we are going to open this freezer bag, cut it up and start cutting out the long potato fries. This is another method that we have used to make these potato fries. So whichever is easier for you, it is just fine. It is what you should use. I used a knife, but you can use as well a pizza cutter because it works just fine as well. Also, I oiled the knife such that it does not stick as you cut. It makes it easy for you to cut out the long potato fries. Kindly subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Once you are done, now get a frying pan, place it on medium heat, add enough oil for deep frying, heat it up, and once it is ready, start adding in the long potato fries and fry them on medium heat until they are crispy and a bit golden. Do this until all the potatoes are done. Do not stir the potato fries until they start floating on top. Once they are ready, drain them on a paper towel to drain any excess oil, and you are good to go. This is an easy recipe that you can prepare for your family and friends. Within no time it is done. Kids love them a lot and they are so crispy. This is how I serve them, with tomato sauce. You can serve them with any dipping sauce of your choice and you enjoy with your family and friends. You can prepare this for iftari, especially in this Ramadan. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share to help me grow. These are some of my recipes. You can check them out. Let me know what you think about them. If you have tried any of my recipe, kindly comment below. Let me know how it turned out. Until next time, thanks for watching.